their own business card. Give them a badge with your company logo on it. Make them feel proud to be associated with you. So 20 years ago, I had this idea for something called the Wow Awards. And essentially what it is customers saying when they've had a great service experience. So I've just got this really simple belief. I believe if we can create a great place to work, that becomes a great place to become a customer. And ultimately, that's going to hit the bottom line. What does this guy do for a job, would you think? Sales. Absolutely. I bet you do, because that's what people look at. And that's the whole thing about social media. It is now so incredibly easy to appeal to a really broad audience. No, 82% of people don't trust their boss too.
Tell them the truth.
Tell them the truth. Absolutely spot on. Isn't that interesting? And what Napoleon said was this. He said, my people will die for a ribbon, but I cannot get my people to die for money. We're never going to get the right outcome for our customers unless we have the right people properly engaged and working to the best of their ability. The sadness in that is what was going on for the first 33 years. You know, what is wrong in terms of our recruitment, our appraisals, our mentoring, our coaching, our recognition programs that makes people feel underappreciated. But I think the biggest challenge today is not so much actually getting the right people on the bus, it's keeping the right people on the bus, because these guys are trying to steal them from you. All respondents, being respected was the single biggest motivator. Your employees, who at the moment are feeling really quite satisfied with their lot, but are just travelling home on the train and flicking through Tinder and all these sort of things, suddenly find your job advert. I want to feel that sense of pride in my work that makes me want to put my name on the product or the service that I'm delivering.